Welcome to Grace Garden. Let's take a walk around and see what's blooming now. Here in the front, I have Lugosa roses that are taking center stage right now. They smell so good. Underneath them, my stachys is almost ready to bloom. There's perennial geraniums. This is a simplifoil. And around the side, there are some rhododendrons that look so good right now. Down in the garden proper, even though it's the May gap, there are a few things that are blooming. We'll look over there at my sage in a second. Right here are the first irises, bearded irises. And there's my flat of Tithonias ready to go in the ground. And a couple of flowers left of my Woodgelia. And this sage hedge is just amazing. I love it very much. Let's look over on this side now. Oh, and here's another rose. This is golden showers, I think. And my gas plant, one of my favorite plants. You can see the short video from the other night when I tried to light it. This isn't a flower, but it's one of my favorite plants. My Japanese painted flower. My peonies are going to be so nice when they finally start to open. There's a couple open already. One other thing I'm excited about that's blooming over here is my valerian. I'm going to make sure that this plant spreads its seeds. And here is my orchid display, which I really love how I put these out here to summer. I'm going to share how I did it in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for walking around with me and enjoying the garden. Please make sure you're subscribed and give this video a like. And until next episode, bye for now.